With robot structural analysis, you can generate load combinations to ensure a structure will remain stable and resist multiple loads. To create a new manual load combination, after opening a project with defined geometry of a structure and loads acting on it, from the text menu, select Loads, Manual Combinations. The Combination Definition Modification dialog displays. From here, you can alter the combination number, type, and name. Select OK. The Combinations dialog displays. From here, define the components and factors of the combinations. You can use either automatic multipliers or assign multipliers manually. From the case list, select a case number. In this instance, the dead load is selected. Next, in the factor field, enter 1, and then click the arrow to add the selected load case to the list of cases in combination. Now select the snow load. In the factor field, enter 0.75, and then click the arrow to add the selected load case to the list of cases. Continue this process for each load case. In this example, wind 2 is assigned 0.75, and the live load is assigned 1. Once finished, select Apply. Then click New to begin creating another load case combination. The Combination Definition Modification dialog displays. Expand the combination type dropdown and select SLS. Click OK. The combination dialog updates with the new combination displayed. Again, select case numbers. Assign multipliers or use automatic multipliers, and then add them to the list of cases in combination. When finished, click Apply, and then click Close. From the toolbar, expand the Cases dropdown. The case combinations are accessible from this dropdown. Defining manual combinations of loads acting on a structure and defining the combination multipliers is an easy process.